What's up, Bixbyans? Today I'll be demoing how Bixby can help you manage your day, get some outfit ideas, entertain the kids, and even tell you some stuff about space. Now, I will be using the wake word to wake Bixby up, but I'll be editing that wake word out of the video so I don't keep waking up your Bixby. A video on how to talk to Bixby will be in a card in the top right corner, as well as in the description below. Without further ado, let's get started. Add an event.
What date is this event on?
Tomorrow.
What do you want to call this event?
Publish this video.
Tomorrow all day, publish this video. Would you like to save this event?
Yes.
Done. The event has been saved.
Set an alarm for 6 a.m. every day.
Your alarm is now set for 6 a.m. every day.
Remind me to wash my hands when I get home.
Reminder saved. Wash my hands when you arrive at home.
Ask Able Style for a casual outfit.
Let's see. A casual suggestion. A moss green double-breasted blazer over a white scoop neck t-shirt works well with ivory pinstripe, cropped pants, and add to the dapperness with a light blue patterned pocket square. Be fleet on your feet with dark tan boots.
Ask Dress Right for the outfit of the day.
Do you agree to provide profile, location, and contacts to Dress Right to process requests?
Yes.
I'd recommend a short sleeve button-down with navy pants.
Ask StyleHacks to suggest an outfit.
Here is an outfit I found for you. When you wear your dress shirt with a suit, but no tie, watch becomes the focal point of your look. And you become a focal point of any gathering when you master the art of nonchalantly wearing these upscale pieces.
Ask Hansel and Gretel to start.
Which character would you like to play? Hansel and Gretel, or the evil witch?
Once upon a time, there were two children, and their names were Hansel and Gretel. And Gretel was
Bored!
Who said that?
Ask Music Bop to play Jungle Adventure.
Alright, let's go.
Hey boys and girls, it's time for Music Box.
Ask the Muffin Man to play.
Welcome to the Muffin Man game. I'm Megan Schoenbaum, and I'm so excited you're joining me here. Today we're going to sing about the Muffin Man and all of his friends.
Ask Mars Explorer to play Mars Sound.
Playing Mars Sound now.
Ask Daily Space Picture to show the photo of the day. Start Space Race.
I found these launches. Starlink 11 v1.0.
And that, my friends, is just a small sample of what Bixby can do. Be sure to let me know what your favorite Bixby commands are in the comments below. And just to wrap things up, I'm done recording.
Do not disturb is now off.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. That was a quick command. To learn how to do this, check out the video in the top left corner.